Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're mainly gonna focus on how to hide any posts or advertisements in your Craigslist account. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, to log in, it's quite easy. To simply view the postings, what I'd like to do is just go to Event Calendar. The button's right here in the left section of the screen. I'm gonna click on it right now. Well, do note that you can hide the jobs or these postings from right here. On the right side of every posting, you'll see a trash can icon. That's hide posting. Simply click on it and then the posting will be hidden. In case you want to look at the posting itself, and right here, once you've looked at the posting, let's say you don't like it, well, simply hit on the hide button right here. And as you can see, your post has been hidden. In case you want to unhide it from right here, you can click this button to unhide it. Well, you can flag it, share it, it's up to you. And guys, that's it. That's how we hide. That's how we hide a posting in Craigslist. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.